Hey everyone, I thought it was time for another walkthrough. I changed some things. So right there, I'm actually coming downstairs into my craft room. Those were orders that you've seen that still have to go out. That is the little table that you see first when you come in. It has my business cards on it. And now I'm walking down the hall. I did do this ribbon organizer. It's actually a shoe rack and it's actually perfect. It fit all my ribbon. The ones that had the really tiny holes, I had to do something else with. I'll show you a little bit later. So you can either go two ways right now. You can go into this room or down the hall, which I just showed you. I'll just go around this area and show you what I have. I'm not going to point everything out. As a crafter, a fellow crafter, you know that we have a lot of stuff. Over in that area, I have all like my stamping stuff and my markers and everything. That's the TV, obviously. We have a little refrigerator right there, which holds my Diet Pepsi and, just some wall decor. My yarn is back there for when I do yarn stuff, not too often, but sometimes. And you can see, you can look into one room from the other. So that's looking into my actual craft room from my lounge around side of my craft room. I do want to get something for that right here, that wall right above the couch. And I think I have something in mind. I just have to work out the measurements for it and see if my wood cutter can do something for that. This is the closet. So this is the hallway going down into the craft room. I do use it to store all of my floral stuff, and I really don't care what it looks like as long as I just wanted it to be out of the way. Then this is the closet where I have a lot of storage. Oh, there is the ribbon that had the holes that were too small and would not fit on the shoe holder, the shoe rack. And I didn't really take you all the way into my closet because there's a lot of junk in there, but it's organized. I know where everything is. So walking into my craft room, there's my sink, and it's perfect because I can do my transfers. I can wash them right away. And so there's the view of the whole room. Again, there's the sink. And then I just dry them right to the right-hand side of that. And then I'm going to back up a little bit here. This is what I just set up, my new area for going live. So although it's taking up some space in my craft room, I kind of like having it set up where I don't have to worry about it. When I'm ready to do a live, I just come down, hit go, and I'm ready to go. So you just saw my computer. That's where I do some of my business work, all of my paper. Now this area right here used to be my area that I did lives, but I'm now turning that into the area where I do videos. I may also do some lives in that area again. It all depends. I just like switching it up, so we'll see. And see, now you can see into the other side of the room from the craft room side. So I love being down here. It's like my spot and it's like heaven. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know.